Hello, today I'm doing a dedicated video for the students of my signature course, the YouTube Profit Blueprint. I want to show you how to easily log in and access all the goodies that comes with signing up to be a student of this program and also a client of this coaching and mentorship relationship. Because this course has a lot of corners and a lot of features, sometimes students find it difficult to navigate. So I want to do this video to teach you how to log in and how to access the different areas and the different bonuses that comes with signing up with this course. So the first thing is that you will get an email showing you your login. It will usually land in the primary box here for your Gmail or your any email you use. However, you should also, if you don't find it there, you should also check your spam folder or check the promotion tab. But they usually fall in the primary tab here, and so you have your login information. So what you do, you just click in to open so that you have your login details so you can log in to the course area. Open it, you see your login information, you have the login page. So this is the link you will click, then you put in your email and then the unique password. So this is how it's advisable for you to do it. First, you click on the link that's for the login page, right? You just click on the link for the login page. So when you do that, this particular page will open, right? So this is where you put the email you use for making your purchase. Very important. Make sure you use the exact email you use for making your purchase. So, and again, when you're typing in your email, make sure that it is all small letters. It is all small letters. Make sure there's no capital letter there. Everything here is small letter. There's no capital letter. There's no space in front. There's no space after, or there's no full stop at the end, because it's important or you find it difficult to log in. Then the next thing is there's a unique password that is sent to each student. Everybody has a different password. So if you try to use someone else's password, it won't work. So you have to use your own unique password. Now, because the code is a combination of numbers and capital letters and small letters and different characters, it is advisable not to type it one by one. If you type it one by one, you might miss one figure or one character and you will not be able to log in. So what I advised my student to do is you come to the password and simply select copy and then paste, so that everything will be intact. So you just click here and paste. You can go ahead to click on this eye icon here so that you compare with this and be sure if they are the same details. Then you click login. So when you do this correctly, you will land on the main welcome page for the course. So here it gives you everything that you need. So first is on top here, there are menus for all the videos and the tutorials and the resources and the bonuses and the implementation plan. But first, here you can see that you have some important instructions. So also you see a link to join our secret Facebook group. So you simply click in here. So I am already in the group, and so it didn't prompt me for anything, but ideally it's supposed to prompt me to put in the email and the phone number I use for making my purchases. Apart from that, there is a link to the official YouTube channel to keep getting updates. Then you see a course curriculum, the course curriculum, which tells you all the steps that you will need, all the video tutorials and everything. However, to access all of these, you do that from the menu above, depending on the device you are using. So there's a place where it says start here, so that's where you have to start. When you click there, it says watch this first. So as you go through the content, it rates you so that we gamify the whole system. So now it's 2% complete. Then you can go to the next post. In fact, it's advisable you just go from start here and watch this first and just keep pressing next post, so that it keeps taking you step by step through all the tutorials. You see there are video tutorials here for channel creation, a lot for pre-production stage, a lot for production stage, for post-production, for channel growth, for channel monetization. Then we have the bonus sections that has different tutorials here. Then you have the congratulations message. Then apart from that, when you have gone through all of those videos, then come to this implementation plan, this 6-step implementation plan. This 6-step implementation plan will give you the steps that you need to implement everything here. So when you are done going through the content, so it's not just knowledge, you have both knowledge and demo here, but this implementation plan will take you back to the drawing board and give you step-by-step plan on how to implement everything you have learned. So that's one very important. Then you also don't forget to check the resources section. Here you have script checklist and blueprints, you have channel assets, video asset, and list of links, software, and gears. If you do this, you would have gone through the course and then you'll be shown how to implement every aspect of the course. There are places where you can ask questions and then we interact in group. Apart from the fact that in the Facebook group too, we have our own interaction too that happens at this level too. So this is basically how it goes. Go to the homepage, join the group, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and apart from that, go to start in here, go to watch this first, and then start watching step by step. Simply use this next post button here, and you keep going step by step, next post, and you keep going that way. Before you know it, you are going through the entire course of several videos, and then go to the implementation plan so that you start it will show you how to start taking action, because the result comes from taking action. Implementation. Also, don't forget to check the resources section where you have plenty of scripts, checklists, blueprints, channel asset, videos, audios, animations, and different things, links and to software and gears. And then don't forget to check the bonus section: video, YouTube analytics, Facebook lead ads, Google Analytics, a lot of things here. So this course is very rich. Some persons, maybe because they're not familiar with the whole process, find it difficult to navigate through this, but that's how it is. You can check your own profile and then you can put in your own image and make this profile the way you want. There's a site map here. That shows all of the videos, so you can just simply follow it like a table of content, right? Table of content, and you can, if you want to skip, you can choose to skip through and watch the one that is relevant to you. Then there's a link for support here, so if you need any help, you can just click on support here, and then you can have access to me here. You can drop your problems, your comments. Few students are already using this, so I have a desk here. Then apart from that, you can log out here in case you don't want others to access what you actually paid for, right? So basically that's how we navigate this course area. That's how you log in and navigate. I hope this is very helpful. If you have any questions for students, don't forget to contact me. You know you have full access to me. However, if you are watching this video and you have not already signed up, just go to vidpride.com/checkout, vidpride/checkout, and then sign up there so that you will join hundreds of students here that are having amazing results. So come to this page and then sign up. If you sign up immediately, you'll be sent your login details, and then you go through all the process and you will be good to go. I hope you find this video very helpful. As again, if you have any questions, don't forget to go to support@vidpride and ask. If you need any help or support, I'm here to help you. So as we usually say in this community, play big, and I'll see you in the next one.